We don't want to know overcook this. Come here, go cook some dinner. Barbecue chicken, pasta salad, curry goat, and rice and peas. You don't know the vibe, you know. Yeah, man, come here. We're gonna cook some dinner.
Okay, it's coming off. Alright, that should be good. Yeah, it's a cold one this morning, but it seems like it's gonna clear off. It is almost 9 o'clock. Rajero has to be to school, 9 o'clock. Yeah. Seatbelt on and we're off. You excited to go to school? Yeah, that's good. Okay, then we gotta turn the camera. So I hope you all have a good day.
Welcome back, my beautiful people. My there, wife in a day, cause she run some errands. She busy. Rajero is at school. I think wife you go pick up Raj. But today we have on the menu. I get some. I've been feeling for some goat. You know, so I'm gonna get some curry goat in a superstore. Cost me like $30 for that little bag of goat, yeah. $30. But once you feel for something, I mean the price is nothing, right? So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do some curry goat today for now and for the family. I'll probably bake some chicken too, so stay tuned for that. You understand? I'll get them seasoned up and show you the process. And then I'm gonna take in like a football match. You know me, I take in my match now, so I'm gonna season those and get them all soaking and ready for later. So you guys stay tuned and you know the vibe already. Big up, bless up, and remember, touch the like button, subscribe, and comment. You know the vibe go. You understand? Peace out from the Edwards family. Blessings. Guys, so if you all look, you see all of my season, then I'm gonna put for my chicken and goat today. So I have thyme in it, I have onion, scallion, I got sweet pepper, garlic. I'm gonna put some pimento seed and then I'm gonna blend up this. And this is all this is my blend season that I'm gonna use for my curry goat and my baked chicken. So stay tuned. So guys, even though my goat is expensive, it's so pretty it is. Beautiful, you know. And the chicken. So I'm gonna wash these now. Yeah, and then work and then we'll start seasoning. So that's what's gonna happen. And then I go marinate for about the next 3-4 hours before I cook. So stay tuned for it. So guys, I have absolutely nobody to hold my camera. I'm home alone today. You know what I mean? Rajero is at school. My wife is getting stuff done, so I just gotta make the camera stand up until I'm finished. So I'm getting all my seasonings ready to season these two. And then y'all don't worry, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. So I'm just getting them out first. Bam 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 bam. I need ginger powder. I need this. Alright. And I need salt. So all that I'm using, guys, I have salt. I have garlic powder. This is my curry. I have some oil right here. This is my chili flakes. This is salt again, so I don't need this one. And this is my homemade rub that I make. All purpose. And this is the browning they got here in Canada. So we just use this until we go back to Jamaica or somebody is coming and can bring us some. Then we just gotta use what we have, right? And this is some ginger powder. So we're gonna go to work. Garlic powder. Right. I need some chili flakes in my goat. Probably I put some in this too, in my chicken. The home rub. That's how I'm doing it. I'm gonna use some all-purpose for my goat. And like I'm gonna make these sit for a minute. I doesn't need to add that extra seasoning because the moment you make it sit, then the seasoning start working the meat, right? So yeah, I don't need to add all the extras. So this is my curry for my goat. Curry for my goat, and I'm gonna put some ginger powder for my goat also. Oh, how could I forget the black pepper? So this is my black pepper. I'm gonna add some to both of the meat. Add some to the goat right here, and add some to the chicken, right? And then for my chicken, once I'm putting it in the oven, I add a little browning. I don't like see white chicken going into the oven, so I always add a little browning just to give my meat some color, right? So yeah, and now I'm gonna tip a little oil into this, and then next to oil into this, and then I'm gonna rub them in. So I'm gonna go with the goat first. My hands are already clean, to be honest, but I'll wash them again. Yeah, so my hands are now cleaned. So we're gonna work on these meat and put them down to marinate. Expensive goat, eh? So we have to ensure, so because it's expensive, it needs to taste good. So that's what we are working with today. You might hear some noise in the background. I threw me a little football while working, right? And then so easy it is to get distracted. This is my blend seasoning, so I'm gonna add this to it also. So that's it. I'm gonna add in this. I don't know for anybody else, but to me this looks like it needs a little bit more curry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more curry. Like, I remember in the blend season we had garlic, sweet pepper, garlic bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. So we have that complete. Look how this beautiful. So I'm gonna leave this to marinate, and then I'm gonna work on the chicken. Just rub in the chicken and leave it for 3 hours, and then we'll throw it in the oven, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, I'm blessed up to the subby them, man. And you know the style, and I'm always a big one up, you know. Uno check in and make it possible, you know. So bless up to Uno. So my chicken, just waiting to go into the oven. We're gonna eat good tonight, so you guys stay tuned until we turn the camera back on again. You know, so that's my chicken, guys. So guys, everything that was yours, wash and clean. This is my chicken, this is my goat. What they're waiting for for Chef Akeen to go and cook them. and we'll have a nice meal later. So you guys, you know the drill now. Stay tuned for it. Hear that?
Hey, babe.
Hey, lovey.
What you got on the menu today?
What's on the menu today?
Yeah.
I think I told them earlier, but I'm gonna tell you again. Guys, we got some curry goat that is already seasoned from morning. And I'm gonna bake some chicken today. That's what's on the menu today.
That sounds so good. I'm excited. Curry goat?
Yeah, curry goat on the menu.
Wow.
Style, so for that ready, I just aisle my tray, put the chicken them on it,
Okay.
and then
Baked chicken and curry goat. Yummy, yummy.
yeah. I'm gonna get the garlic ready to go in the pot for curry goat. So
Okay.
you know what it is.
All right.
Yeah.
Pimento. Gotta burn that curry.
Definitely. I was just telling them that we pay like I pay like $30 for the goat. It's expensive here.
Yeah, that's super sweet. They bought it, so I don't know.
Go and burn, you know?
I think we've had it on sale for like 23 or 25 once.
Just give this a nice little mix again. You know, we'll set them out.
Everything's going up now.
Beautiful. Guys, tell me in the comment section if is it because of the war or what? Why everything is just so expensive. I don't know what they're doing. The oven is preheating, so I'm just gonna make that stay there for a minute while my curry is burning. Yeah, guys, so this is it. I probably need to make some sauce, but those are my chicken.
Nice.
You got to know when to run. So this is hot enough now, so I'm gonna pour in my goat. Yeah, that is it, you know. Stay tuned. You're gonna take about 2 hours or 2.5 hours to cook, because we're not pressuring it. We'll just make it, allow it to go on slow cook and do it things. So today's menu is baked chicken, curry goat, and we'll probably cook some rice and peas. Yeah, so stay tuned for it. So guys, the oven already preheated to 400. I'm gonna put my chicken in now, my drumsticks.
And I got a surprise, y'all.
For who?
They told me to buy that black thing on the bottom, and guys, I have it.
What black?
See the black thing on the bottom? I don't have tin foil anymore.
Oh, okay.
The black silicone thing.
Oh.
Our subscribers told me to get it, and I did.
You see that they're watching closely. I love that. I love that. We're a family, so that's good. I like that.
I got the one on the top too, guys, but I think when we get yeah, we'll use it for sure.
So now I'm gonna get my seasonings already, and I probably start on the rice and peas, because you know me, I like cooking fast. Some vlogs are really drawn out and stuff, but we doesn't have much control over that. So yeah, but blessings, guys. Thank you all for keep connecting with the family. It's really a blessing. And yeah, more vlogs are coming, man. I mean, we take a little break, just a little break, because I mean sometimes it can run overwhelming, and a break is needed sometimes. So in anything you're doing, don't be afraid to take a break, you know. Trust the process and trust that it's still gonna work even if you take a break, you know what I mean. But the problem is when you stop, don't stop. It doesn't need to stop, you know what I mean. Yeah, so if you stop, that means you practically give up, and you don't want to give up. So yeah, the dream is still going. For pushing on. Curry goat, baked chicken, and we're gonna get the rice on the way. So you guys stay tuned, man. Guys, so I already get everything caramelized up and nice. So now is the time I'm gonna add my water to it. I'm gonna add some water, allow it to cook. Guys, don't be too surprised about the water in this. It was the same container. It was seasoning, so I just used about the seasoned water in it. Yeah, so
That's why it's yellow.
Slow cook down.
Nice.
Nice, yeah.
Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh. Okay, I really need to invest in, in a can opener.
Why?
Well, yeah, we got you, so why do we need it, right? Babe was like, screw these machines, let me do it myself.
Right, she was trying to help me.
Made it worse.
She made the damn can worse.
We've got two and not. Oh. Anyways, I gotta invest in a new one.
Make the damn can worse.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. But you love me anyway.
Always.
This man has so much patience with me, it's crazy.
Guys, I just figured out say I want to do some pasta salad. So I'm gonna do that, you know, some creamy pasta salad with just a little bit. Not much.
Babe salad is the best. The last time he made it, I was like, I'm not eating it. There's onion in it. And then I tasted it and I was like, holy God, this is good. I was like, I just can't even stop eating it. It is so good. Babe's like, you gotta stop saying you're gonna not eat stuff when then you eat it.
Guys, put in peas now.
Okay, so you put it in the water like that. Okay. Oh, there's steam coming. Let's see.
I make it go and boil.
Okay.
Go and boil, so
That's
flavor it up.
Goodness, like, holy, you're just. Oh,
I'll go on with the chicken then. Okay, so
Wow.
these are coming on too, so.
oh my
stay
gosh.
tuned for
My
it.
mouth is watering.
It's a cooking day.
Oh, I'm so blessed.
Nice. Put the camera there. You gotta know
When you stop the tape. No, you need to know when to stop videoing. When to hit the stop button. So you.
When your husband said you should stop taping, you should never get emotional.
Just listen to
Just
him.
listen to it,
Right here, babe.
and then there will be no trouble in the long run and stay.
Or in the Edwards home. You just gotta learn how to listen. When your husband speaks, don't nag back, just do what he says, and you'll never have no trouble in the household you live in if you listen to your husband. Oh my God, it's taping. I should put that on. It was taping the whole time.
Really?
Yeah. Guys, I totally thought I had hit the stop button. You're not going to believe me, I know it, but honest to God, right hand to God, I thought I hit the stop button, but it was recording. But I'm going to add that because that was pretty cool. We listened to it back. We laughed. It's funny. So let's do it. So what are you doing now? Oh, let me flip this around. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Guys, that's how we get along. We just be singing and being too.
That should be the theme song. Definitely the theme song.
Yeah. If we just listen to our husband. But it goes the other way too, if the husbands just listen to the wives.
So guys, these are the blend scenes that left. I'm gonna add this to my rice and peas pot.
Ooh.
So
Okay.
enough flavor is gonna be in it.
Oh my goodness.
Should be nice.
It will be nice. So just a backstory, guys. The reason we have the gambler in our mind is because where Babe works, a lady had her birthday, and I went and sang, and that was one of her favorite songs, and I sang it. So now it's in our brain.
Yes, guys, she come and she does the honor. She sing for one of my clients. So yeah, she sing for one of my clients. It was so wholesome, nice. You know what I mean? You have to respect their privacy, right? So
Yeah,
I mean,
you can't
can't
tape
put
it. No.
anything, but yeah, it was really good. Babe, come and she did her thing, man. You know what I mean?
Her favorite song was Fishing in the Dark. I had that one. And The Gambler and Islands in the Stream. So yeah, me and Babe got The Gambler in our head now. We just created our own words. Oh gosh. Anyway, we hope you guys are all having a good, blessed day. Yep. I'm excited for Babe to cook this meal. I am very, very hungry.
Meal is coming, love. The meal you want? Okay. The meal you're gonna get. Okay, guys, so I'm seasoning the rice and peas pot. I'm gonna add a piece of butter to it. I don't know if you guys put bell pepper in yours, but bell pepper in rice and peas is really good. I'm gonna add a piece of ginger, scallion, thyme, and my garlic. The last and final thing I'm gonna add to it, pimento seed. There's a couple to flavor your pot. And then I'm gonna pour my coconut milk into it. I probably leave a little bit of this for my goat, you know, flavor it up. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna allow this to go and do it thing and flavor up, and then we're gonna work on the pasta. So stay tuned for that. So guys, the chicken I'm gonna come and look at turn them. Turning them so them not stick. If they start sticking already, probably need to turn down the oven too.
I also have parchment paper, Babe, and it doesn't stick to parchment paper.
Yeah, okay, baby.
Yeah.
I'll show you some of that.
I got a great big roll of it.
It's a good thing I checked. Starting to get. Okay. I think I'm gonna listen to you and put them on parchment paper.
Okay.
You got to know when to listen to your wife. Know when to change the coil. Put it on parchment paper. It's gonna benefit you in the end. You better change up your lifestyle. Make it work. There will be no issue in the long run to come. Yes.
When I'm at work, oh my gosh, Babe, I make up songs all day long, just like that, all day long. Do you do that at your work as well?
I just sing a bunch of crap.
Yeah, me too. Like, I don't know, anything that comes to my mind just to make them laugh. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, hi, honey. You had a little nap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come give Mommy a hug.
So guys, I just taste my rice and peas pot. It's locking flavor, so you know me. I gotta find what it's locking, so I'm adding some all-purpose. I'm adding a little touch more salt, because I did put salt while I'm cooking the peas. This is complete. I'm putting complete, and I'm going to add some sugar. And that should complete the taste I'm looking for. So see, a rice pot well cooking down. No rice is in it yet, but the peas, coconut milk, and all my seasonings. So I'm gonna add my rice pretty soon. So yeah. So guys, I add the rice now, you know, because we have a whole heap of things to do today. So add the rice now. Some jasmine rice. Ooh. Ooh. And just allow this to go on cook down properly. Yeah. And then we'll just make some sauce for the chicken. So that's what's on the agenda next.
How long in total, approximately, do you let the goat cook for?
Around 2 hours.
2 hours, okay.
And just for you to know, I add the rest of the coconut milk in it.
Oh, okay.
Already. So,
all right.
Yeah.
And how long does it take for the rice? Okay, so how long did you cook the peas for before you put the rice in?
So the peas is actually cooked already because it's canned peas.
Oh, yeah, right. So
yeah, I'll maybe just cook it and flavor it for like 10 minutes,
okay.
15 minutes thereabout.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. All right.
Yeah. And then once you flavor it, then you add the rice. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Put everything together. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
All right, stop it.
And the onion.
Goat is coming along, guys. We have about the next hour left with the goat. And now we have to get this on the go. So I get the chickens out. I just made a little barbecue sauce, guys.
Oh, we didn't. Sorry, guys. I'm running around doing other things.
Dave was busy, so.
We missed him making it. So what's all in it? Let's at least tell them what's in it.
I have sweet chili Thai in it, barbecue sauce, ketchup, black pepper, salt, vinegar, barbecue sauce too.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's what kind of barbecue sauce did you put in? Sweet Baby Ray's?
Sweet Baby Ray, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I didn't used to buy Sweet Baby Ray's until I met you. It's really good. I like it.
I know you told me that before, baby. It's the best. Whatever I buy is always the best.
Although you like the black one that I buy, the I gotta buy some more
for a change. But you know, some of the sauce, guys. If you know, like, if you know with barbecue sauce, some of the times, most of the times, you have to enhance them, right? So sometimes I work with the ones on my salad that it doesn't have to enhance. It just comes with a natural flavor that is really good. So.
And that's called Diana.
Yeah, the barbecue sauce called Diana?
Diana barbecue. Yeah, because you can get Diana honey garlic, you can get Diana chicken and rib, but it's Diana barbecue sauce that you like. It's the black one, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
so Babe really likes that one.
So these are going back in the oven for maybe around 10 minutes and then should be done.
Okay.
So guys, now the goat is getting tender, so that's good. I'm just gonna gather all the seasonings that I want in it and put it in it. So yeah, goat is getting tender, chicken is soon finished. I'm gonna work on the pasta salad now. So all those is coming together nicely, so stay tuned.
Okay.
So you wanna know what I have here?
No, your stuff ready. What is it? You tell everybody.
So guys, this is for the pasta salad. So I have some turkey there. I have scallion, I have bell pepper, I have onion. What's this again?
Celery.
I have celery. And I'm gonna add some carrot to it too. So yeah.
One thing about us guys, we have lots of veggies, fruits and veggies, always. We love our healthy eating, that's for sure. We like to eat hearty but healthy. Yeah.
So guys, black pepper. I'm gonna add some black pepper to this. My pasta salad. Nice. And then some salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add some sugar. You just need just a little bit for taste. And then all that I showed you just now, I have my turkey, I have my carrot, scallion, bell pepper, onions, and celery. I'm gonna add all this to it also. Ooh. And then this to create the magic, the mayonnaise. This will create the magic that we're looking for. You know what I mean? And another thing.
Parsley.
Parsley. We're not doing it. One more thing. One more thing we got to go in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it too.
Oh. You don't add paprika. No?
Alright, so this should do it. This should do it. Yeah, we could add paprika also, babe.
Smoked paprika, oh my gosh. Yeah. I just love that stuff so much. Like in egg salad, potato salad, all that stuff. I mean, I put that stuff in everything actually. My chicken, my... That looks so good. Oh, so good.
Remember, so we want it creamy, right? So the creamy is what we're looking for. So add some more of this. Just to get it creamy and nice.
It's nice and saucy. Saucy like your wife. I don't know why my throat is getting all hoarse.
So guys, this is how I do my pasta salad.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have some. It's so good. Let me tell you. Oh, delicious.
You didn't taste it yet, but I'm gonna taste it now.
And I want to taste too.
Perfect, lento. It's good, so good.
What did you say, babe?
Do you want a taste of it?
Of course!
That cayenne pepper that I just put in it, lovely. I'm telling you, lovely. Guys, you guys should taste this, man. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
Perfect, lento.
Oh my god. Like I'm not tapping. I promise you. The best pasta salad I've ever had.
Creamy. Beautiful, lovely.
And easy. I need to do a short on this.
This will be served up with your rice and peas, baked chicken, curry goat, man. Come on. You know that's the best combo, right? So yeah, that's what we're gonna serve this up with.
So good.
So guys, it's the last and final step now. I'm gonna add this for my goat, and then yeah, we're finished. Give this around 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's off. And that's it. Dinner is complete, man.
I'm excited.
Oh, goat is tender.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Feel it. Look at that, man. Beautiful. So I close this now and give it 15 to 20 minutes to get it all done. And we're good. So guys, obviously I didn't fluff the rice for y'all. I didn't even fluff it for myself either. But this is how my rice came out. Nice, beautiful. That's how the rice came out. Lovely. You know, so we're gonna eat good. We're gonna eat good tonight, love.
We always eat good when you cook, babe.
Yeah.
I mean, my cooking's not half bad, but yours is definitely
really good. Yeah, so
definitely.
that is definitely one. So let's rice and peas ready, waiting for the. Watch it, I'm gonna go feed there. Chicken, just as I would, you know, yeah, chicken and the goat. Goat ready, and then I already see the pasta salad. So now we're going to share up a plate.
Oh,
definitely
I'm
gonna
so
happen.
excited.
Yeah. I know you're hungry, honey. I'm sorry, but the goat have to cook properly. Look at that. You want to show them what I go on this, sir. Show them what I go on over here, sir. So we go to work here. Have a little sauce here, sir. I'll share up something and make you see what I want. So stay tuned for it.
So anyone that don't speak Jamaican over there, so they could sew. What do you say over there? So right there, so. In Newfoundland, we say over there, la, right there, la. So we all got our slang.
Okay,
right, baby?
Yes, baby girl.
We got Jamaican and we got Newfoundland in the house.
Definitely so. Some food now. So, you know, this is the, I don't want to say a ritual. But you know I always share some food for me, right? So I'm gonna share you guys some food. Put my curry goat. Lovely. Alright, and then we'll probably go this, and this, and then we're having some pasta salad right there. If you guys taste this pasta salad, man, trust me.
So good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh
Beautiful.
my God.
Beautiful. You don't want to have food or go still, but trust me.
Perfection.
So we have to clean it up. Because we're not going to have food, but look at it. Beautiful. Lovely.
Wow.
You understand? Yeah. You know the vibe, you know the code, you know. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You understand? For them beautiful, beautiful, beautiful food you have to cook. Yeah, that is it, man. Stay tuned for more.
Blessings.
So guys, babe just finished praying, and well, you know, I have to show you guys a snippet. But you know what? We invited over a guest. You know, a lovely family of ours, always helping out and stuff. But we have to respect his decision. Doesn't want to be on the camera, and that's totally fine. But you know, I'm gonna give you a snippet of the food again, right? Babe, how is the food? How is the food, love?
So good, guys. As always. Delicious.
Raj, how is your food?
Yeah.
How is your food? Did you eat it? How is it tasting?
Yeah.
It's tasting good?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, yeah, this is it, you know. And you know what? We are gonna turn off, you know, and enjoy the meal. So you guys peace out. Just remember for do. You know, like, share, comment, and subscribe. It doesn't cost a penny, right? But it helps us out in many ways. So yeah, babe, you have nothing
God
to say?
bless. Thank you.
Big up. Blessings and stay safe. Peace out, guys.
Where are you at?
I'm going to the movie.
You're going to the movie. And how old are you going to be next week? You're going to be 4. Good boy. And this is your first time at a movie theater?
Yeah.
And guys, we're the only person here. Wow. I don't know if he's going to like this movie or not. It's called Hoppers. Yay! How exciting!
Yeah.
Is the way. Only in theaters and IMAX May 22nd.
Thank you.
So what?
There's more?
Yeah.
Was that a minion?
Hey, look, Mammy.
Here.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?